Alright, let's see. Today is Sunday, January 29th, I believe, in the afternoon. And as you can see, the car is still here. I have made a deal with a body guy to do the body and paint on this car. And so I'm sort of getting it prepped for him. I've already rolled this fender. I'm going to do 2 of the other 4. The third one over the back needs body work before we can roll it. This one needs body work too, but I'm hoping he can just straighten those out, even though it's already rolled. Other thing I've done is I've already loosened the windshield. It is ready to go. Just need to find a place to put it in. So yeah, as you can see, this is already it's very dirty. Needs to be cleaned out, but really hard to get out. The stainless steel trim, the little clips that held them in, were really hard to get to, really hard to pop off. So it's already eaten up 2 of my little picks, because you use a pick to pull those back to release the stainless steel trim. And yeah, I bought a 4-piece set of picks, and 2 of them are already eaten out. Third one is almost broken as well. And I've also bought another specialized tool, probably back here. So this has a tool to take out to pull that clip in. As you can see, it's already eaten out. I mean, it's really brutal on tools. Anyways, I'm working on the back. I've already got 2 pieces out. I've got 3 more to take out, and then rear glass will come out. My light just went turned off. So anyways, that's the plan. Get this, because this is real pain to get out. So try to do this, and then I'll start rolling the rest of the fenders. And that should be it. Anyway, and the car will be ready to go to my body guy. Alright, that's it. Check with you guys later.